I know I've said it in every vlog that I have done so far, but I really do love my job. I have a lot of creative freedom when it comes to creating content that you see on our social media. An example is, right now the council is offering a program called Safe Tea. And Amanda and I thought that we would have a little bit of fun with it when we were shooting the promo for it. So we went to a little establishment in Regina called the Vintage Tea Room, and the owners were super excited to help us film on location. And so here's a little behind the scenes look at what took place. They set up the scene and served tea, and it was absolutely wonderful.